Okay, so first we have the San Diego Zoo. They have 660 species of animals, 3,700 animals, 700,000 plants, and 100 acres. Next we have Fountains Aquarium. And their main attraction is coming to interact with the belugas. The San Diego Zoo Safari Park, they have 300 species, wild and open enclosures, and 1,800 acres and 2,600 animals. For museums, the first one is the San Diego Natural History Museum. They have all kinds of attractions for different interests. Next, we have the San Diego Automotive Museum, and that's basically just cars and different vehicles that you can look at. Next is the San Diego Air and Space Museum, which I actually think I went to when I was little with my family because my dad is a mechanical engineer in the aerospace division of his department at his work. So we were very interested in seeing that. Um, Next, we have libraries. So this one is the City Heights Waynart Library. It's a beautiful library with many books, and it's 2 stories, and it opened in 1998. The next one is South Chula Vista Library. So they have computers, ebooks, museum passes, local history, and innovation station digital materials. And then the last one for libraries is Herrick Community Health Library, and they have very beautiful architecture, which is mainly what it's known for. For universities and colleges, the first one is San Diego State University, which I thought was interesting is that it's twice the size of Disneyland and it's actually still growing. The next one is National University, and it's the second largest private university in California. And then this last one is the University of California in San Diego. Their mascot is King Triton, and in their acceptance rate is 35.9%. The next category is Parks and Recreation. So the first one is State Parks California. Um, the Parks and Recreation manages 280 state park units in the state of California. So that's a lot. This next one is the City of San Diego Parks and Rec. So they basically just have all information about current events and activities in San Diego. And then this last one is Old Town San Diego Historic Park. They have entertainment, dining, shopping. It seems to be very popular in this area. For historic sites, the first one is the Mormon Battalion Historic Site. So they basically just have exhibits and learning experience for gaining knowledge about the Mormon Battalion, which I thought was really interesting. I didn't really know a whole lot about that. And then the next is San Diego History Center. They have all sorts of exhibitions about the city of San Diego. This next one is La Jolla Historical Society, and they just have information about the city, history, and they have pictures and exhibits and stuff like that. And the rest here are just the directions.